Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to hide birthday on Facebook. So there are two ways in which you can hide your birthday on Facebook. You can do that from your profile details or your Meta account center. And I'm going to show you these two ways. Go ahead and open Facebook. You're going to tap on your account, which is at the top right corner of your screen. Tap on this and then tap on settings. This will open settings and privacy. You can scroll to audience and visibility, and in this section you're going to see profile details. Tap on profile details and scroll all the way to the bottom where you see basic info. Here you see your birthday. Now to edit your basic info, tap on edit, which is beside basic info, and under your date of birth you want to come to this section, tap on the public and change it to only me. So make sure you have the both of them as only me, otherwise one is going to be displayed. Once you're done with all the necessary changes, tap on save, and this will make your birthday private to only you. You also have other options on this list, which includes allow only your friends to see it, only you or your close friends. To hide your birthday in your Meta account center, while you're on settings and privacy or that Meta account, tap on see more in account center. Under account setting, you want to tap on personal details. Now tap on date of birth. Under your date of birth, you're going to see who can see your birthday on Facebook. Now tap on this and then tap on change visibility on Facebook. All you need to do is tap beside your date of birth and your birth year and make them only me. Once you're done with all the necessary changes, tap on save, and this will hide your birthday from your Facebook profile. So thank you guys for watching this video on how to hide your birthday on Facebook, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you do find this video helpful, support this channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel, and having its post notification turned on. I hope to see you guys in my next video.